Fix Chrome error DNS_probe_finished_bad_config in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, fix 2. Change DNS server to Google DNS. If that didn't work, fix 3. Disable antivirus and firewall temporarily. Security software can sometimes interfere with DNS traffic. Disabling them briefly can help identify if they're the cause. Fix 4. Update network drivers. Outdated or corrupted network drivers can disrupt DNS communication. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 5. Reset Chrome settings. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.